Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today, I have the third and final box from Malaysia. This is the third box of samples from Mamee Double-Decker Shinsegae. The stuff that I've seen in the first two was just amazing, and I have no idea what's in this one. What could even be left to try? So, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. Well, there's a lot more varieties here, so let's dig in and check them out. Alright, so the first one we have here is a mushroom flavor from the Daibok range. This is a Mamee Shinsegae product. And yeah, mushroom flavor. I wonder what kind of mushroom. Like button mushroom or shiitake? I don't know. So we'll find out. And then we have a kimchi flavor variety. Sounds good to me. I like kimchi, and yeah, usually kimchi noodles are quite good. And finally, we got some more cups. This is their habanero spicy chicken. And here's their Daibok ghost pepper spicy chicken. I don't know if this is different than the one that I saw in the other box. I guess we'll see. Their ghost pepper cheese cup. As you might have remembered from the other unboxing, they sent the ghost pepper cheese as a pack version. Well, folks, I am absolutely gobsmacked and super thankful to the kind folks over at Mamee Double-Decker Shinsegae for sending this over. This is just super cool. I really appreciate it. It's been a while since they've sent anything. The last time they sent stuff, they sent a ton of different varieties. So they're following suit again, just being super cool and sending lots of stuff. So this is just great. Thank you so much. And yeah, you should go find these, the ghost pepper you can find here in the US pretty easily. So yeah, cool. All right, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.